Downsizing is something that occurs at every organization based on the company's needs. As Michael Frohn defines it, organizational downsizing represents the strategic reduction of an organization's workforce to reduce labor costs, increase profitability, and in times of severe economic shock, prevent organizational collapse. The goal of this video is to explore the reasons for downsizing, positives and negatives, and the potential for rehiring and reversing trends. While there are many reasons companies may downsize, things like economic downturn, change in market demand, or the need to better compete with other organizations plays a large role. Because of the evolvement in technology, we are seeing a rise in online shopping and online services. This also plays a big part as to why companies decide to downsize. Once companies have made the decision to downsize, they may utilize the strategy of outsourcing in order to reduce costs. Outsourcing can be defined as when a company hires another company to complete certain tasks for them. While outsourcing can be useful for these companies, it also can be considered negative for the customer base. One example of this is when a company outsources the customer service departments to different countries. Of course, this can be more cost-effective. However, customers may not enjoy talking to people who are not fully fluent in their language. Downsizing can be either negative or positive based on different industries. In some industries, downsizing can increase productivity and competitiveness, but in others, it can lead to less productivity, problems for workers, and lower quality services. For example, a technology company may benefit from downsizing due to the nature of the industry. This may be helpful to them in coming up with new products and increasing efficiency. However, downsizing in a classroom would be less productive. This is because there will be fewer teachers with bigger workloads. This would lead to a decrease in efficiency in that specific industry. While downsizing is a very useful tool to save companies money, it can also lead to decreased employee and customer satisfaction. If a company decides downsizing has not been a benefit to them, or they have downsized too much, they are able to rehire and reverse the downsizing trends. This can also be of use when market conditions change. For example, if a company downsizes due to profit losses and then they begin to make a product that later leads to extra business, they may need to increase staffing in order to keep up with the demands. Downsizing can be a major change for companies, employees, and customers. It has the possibility to be of use to some, as it can be beneficial in saving money and in some cases increasing efficiency. However, it can be harder on employees and customers. It's essential to understand the effects downsizing can have on an organization.